welcome to our English story series. Today, Alex will talk about his dad, who is Alex's superhero, and Alex will also introduce some interesting vocabulary and expressions that will help you in describing your superhero. If you want to improve your speaking and listening skills, then this is a great opportunity for you. Try not to miss this opportunity or else you will regret forever. Get ready to practice. Listen carefully. My dad is my hero.
Today I want to talk about someone very special in my life, my dad. He's not just my dad, he's my hero. I'm sure many of you have heroes too, but for me, it's my dad. You see, my dad is like a superhero to me. He's always there when I need him, just like superheroes are there to save the day. Whether I'm feeling happy, sad, or scared, my dad knows just what to do to make things better. One of the things I love most about my dad is how he makes me feel safe. Whenever I'm scared of the dark or worried about something, all I have to do is call out for him and he comes running. He's like a shield that protects me from all the scary things in the world. But my dad is more than just a protector. He's also my teacher. He's taught me so many important things like how to ride a bike, how to tie my shoes, and even how to be kind to others. He's always patient and never gets mad, even when I make mistakes. My dad works really hard to take care of our family. He goes to work every day even when he's tired so that we have food to eat and a roof over our heads. I know it's not easy, but he does it with a smile on his face because he loves us so much. Even when he's tired from work, my dad always makes time for me. He plays games with me, reads me stories, and even helps me with my homework. He's always there to lend a hand, no matter what. But what I admire most about my dad is his bravery. He's faced some tough times in his life, but he never gives up. He always finds a way to overcome his challenges and come out stronger on the other side. It's like he has a superpower that helps him conquer anything. My dad is also really funny. He knows just how to make me laugh even when I'm feeling sad. He tells the silliest jokes and does the silliest dances, but it always makes me smile. I'm so grateful to have a dad who knows how to bring joy into my life. I feel really lucky to have my dad as my hero. He's always there for me, no matter what. He's my protector, my teacher, my provider, and my friend. I know I can always count on him to be there for me, just like a superhero. One thing that really stands out about my dad is his kindness. He's always thinking about others before himself. Whether it's helping a neighbour with their groceries or volunteering at a local charity, my dad is always ready to lend a helping hand. His kindness extends to everyone he meets. He treats everyone with respect and compassion, regardless of who they are or where they come from. He's taught me the importance of being kind to others, and I try to follow his example every day. My dad is also incredibly wise. He's been through a lot in his life, and he's learned a thing or two along the way. Whenever I have a problem or need advice, he's the first person I turn to. He always knows just what to say to make me feel better and help me find a solution. But what I admire most about my dad is his humility. Despite all of his accomplishments and successes, he remains humble and down to earth. He never brags or boasts about what he's done. Instead, he quietly goes about his business, letting his actions speak for themselves. My dad is my hero in so many ways, but perhaps most importantly, he's my role model. He's shown me what it means to be a good person, a loving parent, and a responsible member of society. I can only hope to be half the person he is someday. Another remarkable quality about my dad is his perseverance. He never gives up, no matter how tough things get. I've seen him face setbacks and challenges, but he always keeps going, determined to overcome whatever obstacles come his way. His resilience is truly inspiring, and it's taught me the importance of never giving up on my dreams. My dad also has a great sense of adventure. He's always up for trying new things and exploring new places. Whether it's going on a road trip, trying a new hobby, or simply taking a walk in nature, my dad finds joy in the little things and encourages me to do the same. One of the things I admire most about my dad is his love for our family. He's always putting us first, making sure we're happy and taken care of. He works hard to provide for us, but he also makes time for us, cherishing every moment we spend together. His love is the glue that holds our family together, and I'm so grateful for it. My dad is not just my hero, he's also my best friend. We share so many wonderful memories together, from playing catch in the backyard to going on camping trips. He's always been there for me, through the good times and the bad, offering a listening ear and a shoulder to cry on whenever I need it. As I look back on my life, I realize how lucky I am to have my dad as my hero. He's taught me so much about life, love, and what it means to be a good person. I can only hope to make him proud and to be half the person he is someday. So, to my dad, thank you for being my hero. Thank you for everything you've done for me and for our family. I love you more than words can express, and I'm grateful for you every single day. And to all the dads out there who are heroes to their children, thank you. Thank you for the love, support, and guidance you provide. You may not wear capes, but you're heroes in the eyes of your children, and that's the most important thing of all.
Great job. Keep practicing and improving yourself. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to encourage us to make more and more videos just like this for you. Also share this video with your best friends and relatives so that they may also get a chance to improve their English.